Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Peugeot Boxer. So first thing we do is you go to music. I'll just take that down. You go to music, select the track. So there's the track. If you look at the bottom, click on there, it's showing My Car. That's this system. There's a tick next to it. That's telling you any music, any audio that you play from your mobile, as long as you've got this set up okay, it will come through the speakers in the system. So we'll click on play, it's playing. I'm going to turn it up. We go over to the system now. You've got media here. Click on media, and that's gone straight onto Bluetooth. So if I turn that up, there's Susie playing. Now, if it doesn't come on straight away, what you need to do, I'll just show you again. So we'll just click that back. Right. If you had anything else plugged in auxiliary or so on, it would show up, but there's nothing. So this will come onto Bluetooth straight away. Otherwise, you go to source, one of these other boxes would be selected, and then you just click Bluetooth, and that's it.